Who knew that the next Pied Piper would actually be a lizard that can run on water? A new fileless malware campaign known as Water Basilisk is using a new variant of HCrypt to install a number of remote access trojans or rats onto victim computers. HCrypt is a popular crypto-as-a-service used by attackers to install rats because its fileless nature makes it more difficult to detect. The cryptor relies primarily on VBScript and PowerShell commands to download and install malicious payloads onto victim systems. The final stage of the attack installs common rats such as NjRat, Nanocore, and QuasarRat, among others. Some instances have also seen a Bitcoin or Ethereum hijacker installed, which replaced the Bitcoin or Ethereum wallet address in the clipboard with a wallet address controlled by the attacker. The behavioral and AI detection included in Acronis Cyber Protect detects the malicious behaviors exhibited by these payloads, keeping your systems and data safe by blocking the behaviors before they can cause any harm.